Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can import or add your own image as an object in your Blender project. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to import or add your own image as an object in your Blender project, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So to do that, first, you will need to set the location or position where you want your image to be placed when you add it. So for that, I want you to hold the Shift key on your keyboard. And while you're holding the Shift key, next, I want you to right-click to wherever you want the image to be placed when you add it. And after that, there you go guys. The target indicator will now be changed to the location you've selected. This means that whatever the object you will add will now be placed in this location. So now that you've set the location, let me now show you how you can add your own image as an object right here. So to do that, I want you to press Shift plus letter A on your keyboard. And after pressing Shift plus A, this option to add objects will now appear on your screen. So here, I want you to select the image option since we want to add our own image. And then select Mesh Plane. And after that, you will now be directed to your File Explorer, so just go to the location of the image you want to add to find it. And once you've found the image that you want to add, you can now select it. And then just click the Import Image button right here. And after that, there you go guys, the image will now be added as an object to your Blender project. Although right now, we can't see the exact image yet since we are currently on the solid mode, so in order to see it, we will need to switch to the render mode. So to do that, just press the letter Z in your keyboard. And then select the rendered mode. And after switching to rendered mode, there it is guys, it's done. Congratulations, we can now completely see the image in our project just like that. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.